Wrapping silky aesthetics around an upgraded chassis, an upgraded cockpit, and 540 cubic inches of Merlin tri-power muscle, this 67 Corvette is the definition of an American classic. Tailored to the taste of an ARCA Series race car driver, the impressive scroll of components rolls in a detailed body-off restoration that was completed in late 2015. Correct Marlboro Maroon 2-stage seems smooth as silk over solid body panels that are straight and well aligned. That alignment serves as an excellent canvas for a painted stinger stripe, and the appearance remains classic with the only update being upsized rally wheels that look fantastic. Between the doors, you'll find a stylish saddle interior that weaves subtle upgrades into timeless style. Modern 3-point belts cross leather seats that are finished with A82 style headrests. A two-tone dash hangs restored gauges next to cool air conditioning and modern direct fit audio. A factory shifter fronts chrome switches for the power windows, and the driver spins a leather-wrapped wheel on a tilting column. Race car drivers like power, lots of power. And the Stingray cranks out 725 horsepower thanks to a 540 cubic inch Merlin V8 with tri-power. That Merlin is mated to a Tremec 5-speed that sends power back to a posi-traction rear end with 355 gears. Nothing is simply adequate about this car. It has massive big block power wrapped in an athletic chassis that'll provide years of invigorating driving and turn heads anywhere it goes, thanks to all-American appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.